Pterodactyl here. Today I'm going to show you a hidden carburetor adjusting screw that they don't want you to know about. And it happens to be on this Kindasucki engine here, single barrel carburetor, which is a Walbro carburetor. And this one happens to be on an X360. And the carburetor adjustment I'm talking about is right here. It's underneath that freeze plug there. So what you need to do is, you need to get a little drill bit, like a 1/16 drill bit, and drill into that freeze plug. And then get yourself some kind of little pick tool and pop that freeze plug out of there. And break the tool. There we go. And down in there, I don't know if you can see it, is a little screwdriver slot. There's an adjustment in there for the low speed. Now this one's surging a little bit, so we're gonna find us a tiny, teeny tiny screwdriver and open up that screw a little. Okay, now I put the air filter back on, but I spun it out of the way so we can get at that screw, because you should try to adjust this with the air cleaner on. There's your dinner. So, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. I'm Taryl. Go to our web store, buy some of our Taryl apparel and many other products that we sell there. Check it out. There might be something there you want. Follow me with your hidden carburetor screws on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo! Hidden screw they don't want you to know about. And I told you. Now they're all mad. They're mad. I don't care. Let them be mad.